After unpacking your pill dispenser, you will need to install the included batteries. Pick up and flip over the pill dispenser. Locate the cover latch and slide to unlock, then remove the battery cover. Insert the included 4 AA batteries. Make sure that the batteries are aligned correctly. Once the batteries are installed, put the cover back in place. Make sure to slide the latch to lock the cover. If you forget to do this, the batteries may fall out. Flip the unit back over. The LCD screen should be powered up. Now let's set up the included AC adapter. First, insert the USB into the AC outlet adapter. Take the other end of the cable, which is a mini USB, and plug that into the back of the unit. Now it can be plugged into the wall to save on batteries in case of a power outage or for travel. Watch the next video to unlock and lock your dispenser.